In this short video, I want to talk about electron domains. We're going to use these to help us describe the electron geometry in different molecules. And so an electron domain can be any one of the following. It can be a non-bonding pair of electrons. It can be a single bond. It can be a double bond. Or it can be a triple bond. All of these are just a single electron domain. So if you look at a molecule like ammonia, it's got 4 electron domains. It's got a single bond, non-bonding pair of electrons, and 3 single bonds. Each count as an electron domain. So that's got 4 electron domains. Whereas a molecule like carbon dioxide, and all of these we're talking about around a central atom and not a peripheral atom, an atom on the outside. So if we look at this carbon, for example, he's got 2 double bonds. He's got a pair of double bonds. And yes, that may be 4 pairs of electrons or 8 electrons in all, but this only counts as 2 electron domains, because a double bond only counts as a single electron domain, just as a single bond or a triple bond. May take up more volume around that central atom, but each of those is still just a single electron domain. If we look at something like hydrogen cyanide, that central atom that we're focusing on is that carbon. And it's got a single bond and a triple bond. It too has just 2 electron domains. So make sure you understand what an electron domain is, as we'll be using that when we talk about how we go about determining electron geometries in molecules. Thanks for listening.